sautéing of vegetables, roasting and grilling. So we have variety of vegetables that are branched. So you remember we branched them last time. So we have carrot, we have spinach, we have French beans, we have garden peas, we have cauliflower, we have zucchini, and we have green pepper, we have onion. So we have a variety of condiments like salt, white pepper, aromat, chopped garlic, chopped onion, and we have fresh cream, we have butter. So we have a variety of condiments. So now you are going to follow recipe by recipe. Now we are going to start with the spinach. So our spinach already branched. So I have my saucepan here. So with the butter, so my unsalted butter is 100. Be careful, my saucepan was hot. I add onion, garlic, after adding onion and garlic, I add my spinach. So my onion and garlic was 100 grams each. 100 grams of garlic, 100 grams of onion. Then my spinach was 300 grams. After sauteing them, now I can add condiments. Here is the aromat. Aromat it's like a salt. It's a condiment that can replace salt, or you can combine both aromat and salt if you want, but you can use only aromat. So I have 20 grams of aromat and 5 grams of white pepper. So, the spinach can be served like this when it's just sauteed only with the onion, garlic, aromat or salt, seasoning of white pepper. So it can be served like this. But maybe if you want to add like fresh cream, you can add fresh cream. Then if you add fresh cream, then it's a creamed spinach. So that spinach, it's shifted from toasted or sauteed spinach to creamed spinach. Like now we have our fresh cream, 200 grams. So I'm just going to add from my spinach. Now I can check if it's my spinach is well seasoned. If it's done, then and I check if it's ready to be served. It's really nice. So you can serve now your spinach either by single portion, maybe to accompany your spinach with any dish. So you can serve it either in a larger insert. Maybe it's for buffet. So you have to increase the quantity. But for steak, you can press your steak on top. You can serve it with the starch, like rice, potato. You can serve it with the fish or seafood. You know, vegetable, it's accompaniment for a variety of dishes. So our spinach is ready. Now we are going to move to another vegetables. So now we are going to saute our French beans, our carrot, our zucchini, garden peas, and cauliflower. We have 200 grams of oil. So you can use either butter for sauteing. You can use either oil, maybe olive oil. Now I'm going to saute my vegetable using MasterChef sunflower. So I just pour the oil on the hot pan. You see it's very hot. After pouring my oil, then 200 grams of onion and 100 grams of garlic same time. Then put my zucchini and put my cauliflower. Remember, this is sauteing. So when you saute mixed vegetables, you make sure combining vegetables also you have to consider the balance of color. You see, you have white, you have green, you know. Now if you see the combination of color, there is too much green. So then I have to put yellow. You see, if you see the combination of color for mixed sauteed vegetables, you know, I have green, I have yellow, I have white, you know, the color it's well combined. You see, that's why I didn't put or French beans or garden peas, because if I put more garden peas and more French beans, the greenish is going to be more. Yet I have to balance the color. So when we plan the menu, we also consider color combination. So the color combination is the most important for our menu. So now our vegetables are almost ready. So now we are going to add 50 grams of aromat, 10 grams of white pepper, and 50 grams of salt. If your recipe says grams or deciliter, it means that recipe is standardized recipe. The standardized recipe doesn't indicate pinch, teaspoon, tablespoon, no. The measurement has to be either in a liquid measurement or in grams measurement. So our vegetables are almost done. You see, we have beautiful sauteed vegetables. So sauteed mixed vegetables can be served either with the starches, either with the meat. So you can portion them on the plate as individual portioning, or you can portion them for the buffet. So now my sauteed vegetables are ready. I just need to taste them before service. It's well seasoned, tasted, and now it's ready for the service. We can serve our vegetable in a larger container, or we can serve our vegetable as an individual portion, maybe to accompany steak, fish, accompaniments for larger service like buffet. So we can press them in a larger container like this. You see, our vegetables are done. Okay. So the next preparation is roasted vegetables and grilled vegetables.